Hey AD, I can't believe this is finally happening. I've been waiting for this for a very long time.
No, this is not for AD.
What do you mean? Hey everyone, we're finally ready to show you guys our new office right here in Dindang, behind this yellow door. Come on in, we'll show you around. So if you arrive at our office and you're parking down the street, this is how we're gonna get you with our Fat Mango buggy. Come on in. All right, so this is our ground floor. What we have here is an area for the team to hang out. We got the pool table and a chill out area. We got tons of snacks, healthy snacks, sunflower seeds, and some not so healthy snacks, Cheetos. And back here we have our canteen. This is where the team eats. And then we have our trusty Fat Mango buggy. We got her custom made. We got the yellow and the blue accents from our logo. These are our brand colors. We love our little trusty buggy here. And check this out. Got a little Fat Mango keychain. This was all custom made by us. Yeah, we wanted to use as many organic materials as possible. You can see that the design language that we used here is quite industrial with the exposed pipes and electricity, but the lights and the decorations are quite natural materials. So we really like that idea of playing with the concrete and wood. That's kind of the vibe that we're going for. And we have a lot of practical lights in our building as well to just kind of give it that warmth. And check out these fat mangoes. Gotta represent. A couple years ago, we had a stand at Wonder Fruit selling organic fat mango ice cream. And this is an homage to that. We had the sign from that event. So if you ever come here, ask for the fat mango ice cream. We have some hidden somewhere. And over here we have our camera storage on the bottom floor, so the camera team doesn't need to move the stuff up and down too much. But this is where we keep all of our equipment. And then heading over here, this is the favorite part of the building for me. When we renovated the building, we had to take out everything apart from this elevator. This is the original elevator that was here from I don't know how many years ago, and I just love it. It's really old school style with the old doors. Has a really cool feeling to it, and it even has an aircon. I'll see you guys on the second floor. All right, so welcome to the second floor, which is actually the mezzanine floor. We have a little play area here. We actually haven't used this at all, but nice to have a little foosball table. And this is my office, so come have a look. All right, so I mean, there's not much to say about my office except there's a sofa for hanging out, for talking, for chilling, but also more of a meeting area. Usually we have our team here. If they have any issues that they want to talk to me about during the day, this is where those issues get resolved. And here, this is where I sit on a daily basis. This is my spot. This is the red Scarlet W. She is probably 10 years old at this point. One of the first cameras that we got when we started Fat Mango, and I was so proud to finally have a red. I still love this bad boy so much, and I keep her right here next to me on a daily basis so I can remind myself where we came from. All right, and welcome to our editing floor. Over here we have floor to ceiling windows to bring in as much natural light as possible. This room actually, before we got the building, used to be a dormitory and there were walls everywhere and it was super dark and dingy. We opened up the space completely and transformed it into this big room with a lot of natural light. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love it here. This area can be used for workshops and gathering the team for announcements and things like that. And the editing team here, we have two big tables for them to work. So let me show you the editing suite. Yo!
Yo!
We're doing the office tour at the moment.
Nice, nice.
This is Pai, our post-production manager.
Hello.
What are you working on at the moment?
Right now I'm doing some more color touch-ups on the Sephora project. Yeah, just making sure everything feels all warm and cozy.
So this room is our editing suite. It's used for color grading, it's used for If clients or directors want to come in and edit with our editors, it can be used for that. Yeah, it's a nice cozy space for anyone to edit for the whole day if they want. Also, we have a fridge full of drinks. Oh, she's gonna have one.
Wait.
There's one drink in here.
Wait, let me.
But that's fine, I'm gonna drink it. All right, let's go. We're heading up to the 3rd floor. This is our office floor. Wow, there's like nobody here at all. Where's everyone? Oh my God, look, pan over there. That's the only person working in this office right now. She is. Gabby, get back to work. This is our open office floor. This is where our creative team, our marketing team, our pre-production team, they all work from this floor. Also our cinematographers, our production team, they also work here. So this is the open plan desk, so anybody can work on any of these desks. We also have 2 meeting rooms, 1 big meeting room here. So if our team or if clients want to come in and have a meeting with us, this is where we would do it. We have big TVs in each of the meeting rooms. We have a small meeting room here. All right, so this is our project manager's office. Let's see if she's in. Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
All good. How do you?
Yeah, good. I'm just giving a bit of a tour.
Very nice.
How are you liking the new frosted glass?
Gives me privacy when I call people in here.
You don't want to be called in here, that's for sure. Over here we have our creative team, which at the moment only consists of 1 person. Tongkla. No, I'm kidding. Actually, we have more people in our creative team. It's just everyone's on set at the moment, but Tongkla is working really hard. This is the creative corner. And we recently just got new lights. Big upgrade. All right, let's go. Thanks, Tongkla. All right, and welcome to our 4th floor, which is our dedicated sound design floor with our partner company, Sound House. This floor is 100% dedicated to everything audio and sound design. So we're still setting everything up a little bit, but you can see that this area here will be a desk for a sound designer to come and work. This area here is like an open office space, so we can have meetings here. And then back here, we want to do like another chill out area where we can maybe have like a PlayStation and set it up nicely so that people can hang out and relax. And over here, we have a space for talent to come and wait for them to do the voiceover, or clients when they come in to meet Tony. So let me introduce you to Tony. I think if he's in here. So this is our main mix room.
That's right, we've got 2 studios here. This one is a 714 Dolby Atmos room, and the room next door is also a 5.1 mix room, which can also double up as a vocal recording booth for things like voiceover and ADR and anything in between.
All right, and welcome to the 5th floor. This is our rooftop. It actually used to be just a rooftop, open air, and we converted it into our studio. And the whole floor is 100 square meters, and it can be used in a million different ways. That can be used for fittings, for rehearsals, for portrait photography, for product photography, and even for music videos. We actually shot a music video here last week with an art team, with lighting teams. We had around 30, 40 people in here. So yeah, it's really versatile and we can use it for whatever we want. It's been a dream of mine forever to have a proper studio like this. And yeah, here we are. So the panels here on the ceiling, those are sound panels, and they help with the reverb, with the echo. So essentially we can also do sound recording in here, we can do interviews in here, and these things we can move around as well to help with the echo. So if we were going to do an interview in that corner, we can just move these over so that we have better sound. And in here we have our makeup room. So we have enough space for 3 or 4 models or actors to be in makeup, and a little area here to have the wardrobe. And we also have a toilet and shower as well in here. And the cherry on the cake, Our final design element that I really love is we made a little viewing deck up here. If you're a director or if you're a client or if you, whoever you want to come and see a little higher angle of what we're shooting, this is a perfect vantage point. We're actually going to put some chairs and a little table up here as well so you can just chill, drink your coffee, have a nice time. All right, so there you have it. That's our new office in Din Dang near Victory Monument. If you ever want to come and see it in person, let me know. I'd love to give you a tour. But for now, I'm out of here. I'm out of here.